Finally, we have our first official hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7. A Twitter X username Amir has shared photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. He wrote, "Here's a full look at the dummy Galaxy Z Fold 7. Its incredibly thin and futuristic design has been compared to other phones. Check out the photos."
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.